can do.
Yeah.
Don't stare at the sun, huh? Or you can look here.
Yeah, that's I was already doing that.
Ah, okay. Because if you look straight at the sun, it's going to be painful in your arms. It's going to be uncomfortable.
Wait, I'll go this way. I can stare at the sun there. Wait.
The sun's hiding now. It's going to sleep. It's going to go to the other side of the world.
Oh.
And look at the view. The clouds. Look at the clouds. It's so beautiful. Okay. Careful, huh? And there it goes. Behind that mountain. Whew. But you can still see its rays behind that. See? And the clouds in there too. Bye-bye, Mr. Sun. See you again tomorrow.